Hey you guys, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful detox remedy video for you today. Now if you're looking to lose 20 pounds, I'm going to show you how you can lose those 20 pounds in only 3 weeks. Okay, and this is a colon cleanse. This is going to get all of that stuff out of your belly. The ingredients in this drink is rich in minerals, vitamins, and dietary fiber. So this is going to get your, your intestines, your colon, everything started. Now today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet, but you can use your NutriBullet, you can use your blender, whatever it is that you have that can really get through and blend this up nicely. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start with chopping the apples. Now you're going to need an organic apple for this ingredient. All right, you can use a regular one. I know I'm going to get questions on that, but you can also use a regular apple. What you may have to do is de-skin it, just so that all the toxins, the waxes, whatever they put on there is off and removed. Okay, so I decored this, I slice it and decored it, and I'm just going to throw that into my NutriBullet cup. And you're also going to need 1 cup of water. Okay, so we're going to add that water into our cup, our blender cup. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or chia seeds, and you're also going to need 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. So we're going to throw 1 tablespoon of our flax seeds into our bowl. Next we're going to add in some honey. Okay, it says to use organic honey. Well, I don't have organic honey, or should I say I can't afford organic honey, so I'm going to use regular honey, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, and we're just going to add that into our cup. Okay, and now we're just going to throw our top on that and blend this right up. Okay. All right, so now we're going to pour this into our glass. All right. And we're going to lastly add in our chia seeds. And you're just going to mix that in. And your drink is ready. So you're going to drink this once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. You're going to do this for 21 days. You can have this as a breakfast meal or breakfast drink, or just to start your day off and then go on with your regular teas or whatever. But your colon is definitely going to get cleansed, and you will shed this weight in no time because your metabolism is definitely going to get boosted with all this fiber. Okay, if you exercise, eat a balanced diet, and avoid all of those processed foods. So let's see how this tastes. And there's our drink right now. Tastes very good. Now, the chia seeds is going to fill you up. It's going to give you that full feeling because it's going to swell in your belly. Not to mention the apples and the chia seeds and the flax seeds. Those are gonna, get your belly, your intestines ready for elimination. Just know that much. All right. You'll probably have some crunching from the chia seeds, but that's okay. Drink this for 21 days, and you're gonna see some serious results in your weight loss, okay? So thank you for joining me on this wonderful video. Another fiber-rich colon cleanse video. We're gonna work this through for the whole winter to get you in shape for summer, okay? And this is wonderful. So drink this for 21 days, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're gonna see results. So when you're finished with this, go down in the comment box. Let me know how it worked for you. Let me know how much weight you've lost from this, okay? And share it along with the others that's in our Loyalty Squad family, all right? But this is awesome. All right, so until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.